Hey, what's up guys, it's Nadri from NDHD and I'm back here with another video. So in this video, I will be showing about a budget oriented semi-mechanical keyboard named Circle C43 which has a model number base 43. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let's see the full review of this C43 keyboard and why it is said to be a semi-mechanical keyboard in this budget aspect. So before starting the video, I need to clear a definition of mechanical keyboard. So what is a mechanical keyboard anyways? So a mechanical keyboard is a keyboard built with high quality, typically spring activated, which having its key switches. This key switches vary based on the keyboard's application or user preference. A mechanical keyboard is just a way of how a user can simply feel a better key typing or key pressing, which is a rather beautiful thing or rather a good mesmerizing thing than typing on a rubber dome keyboard. And really, I know it's very much difficult nowadays to get a mechanical keyboard since mechanical keyboards are really pricey and the price tag starts from around 2000 or like 2200 bucks. So but this C43 circle keyboard is semi-mechanical, means you get kind of feature like a rubber dome keyboard, but you also get partly feature like a mechanical keyboard. So why C43 circle keyboard is said to be a semi-mechanical keyboard which gives a partly mechanical feel to the budget user. Since circle C43 uses rubber membrane spring switches which gives a elastic feel like a mechanical type keyboard, although it's not, and it's not the end. This keyboard also has fast travel and mechanical noises which can really help you to type faster as well as make you feel that you're using a mechanical keyboard. Although this keyboard is not very expensive, but it's not a dumpster. The keyboard C43 is priced at 880 rupees as AMZON white one actually, where you get a mouse combo with it. So the mouse combo is pretty much actually good and effective. Anyways, leaving that all budget and all stuff, anyways, this keyboard has got little features like it can support 20 million keystrokes. Wow, that's quite impressive. And has got function keys like 12 media hotkeys for super easy control, enabling user to control monitor settings like volume, lights, playback and etc. Also this thing, the keycaps or the letters on the keycaps are UV printed, yes, which can help the printed keypad to last for long uses. Anyways, this keyboard uses spring rubber membrane as I have said earlier for optimum travel as well as fast typing. Spacebar return uses spring which is extra added specifically for long keys as well as rubber membrane switches for good feel, and by the way the keycap are openable for cleaning and replacement. So yeah, that's a kind of cool features in this budget oriented keyboard. Although the features aren't enough, but what to do as this budget, but it doesn't compromise for the belt it uses. It uses a great quality plastic, good wires for connectivity as it uses USB for connection. The USB is made in such a way that the wire along with the connector doesn't break. But don't forget the mouse. Yes, the mouse is also well built with a USB connection and supports 1000 dpi. I know 1000 dpi is a very pretty average dpi score, but not that very bad. You can use it after all since it's budgetable. And for the rest, the keyboard supports stands for easier reach. So yep, that's all the features you can see in this. Anyways, everything is not perfect in this keyboard. The switches gets dirty. Switch mechanism are hidden in between plastic, which is kinda nice, but if it can be moved to the top, I would prefer that. I should have made the keyboard look very nice since the mechanism would be placed in the top for eye level view, like mechanical, mechanical keyboard. And this keyboard is not well waterproof or spill proof, so we need to be a little bit careful on that while keeping glasses on your table or cups or coffees like that. But to sum up, you can say that this keyboard actually is a semi-mechanical keyboard with little features and great build, with a free mouse in it, and lastly it's budget oriented. So yes, I might prefer it for person who really wishes a mechanical keyboard under a hood of a budget friendly one and do not want to empty his or her pocket. So guys, go and grab this up on Amazon, link in the description below. So yes, so if you do not want to empty your pocket, this keyboard, it just might be for you. So yes guys, so this is Niladri from NDSG just signing out. I hope you have liked the video, and please, after watching the video at the end, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So guys, it's Niladri from NDSG. See you at the next one. Bye.